So right now
hmm
that recovery looks definitely promising. It's a 5 delta on the put side, which is 26 points away. That would be a big drop in the next 10 minutes. And then the call side is like 25 points up, 24 points up. That would be a big jump in the next 10 minutes as well. So looking nice.
So just
Nothing's
yeah, so just in
impossible,
the
but it
time,
looks nice.
nothing's impossible. So yeah, so right now, I mean, so it's decaying rapidly.
Mm-hmm.
It's at 650 right now in terms
Mm-hmm.
of profit, and
Mm-hmm.
350 left to go. 300. It's at 700. I mean, it's coming out very
Okay.
rapidly. So hopefully we're good. Oh boy, huge up move, rapid up move there. Okay, wow,
Yeah,
wow,
we got a
wow,
big up move, but it's
rapid up move.
in this video we're gonna share a live programming moment that we had on a program we call the witching hour here at the Dorian Trader. It's the last hour of trading. Some people call it the power hour. At the Dorian Trader, we call it the witching hour because so many weird things can happen during this last hour. So we tell members to be as vigilant as they can possibly be during that time. And usually we want to be out of every trade that we have on during that witching hour that's expiring that day. So if we're doing a 0DT trade, an SPX 0DT trade, or a /ES 0DT trade, we're trying to be out of that trade before the witching hour because so many different crazy things can happen during that last hour. In this video, we're going to share a moment on that live programming that kind of demonstrates what we are talking about and why you should not be fooled by probabilities. Yes, deltas, if you understand probabilities, option probabilities, you know that it's all about the deltas, but you do not want to be fooled by probabilities. You want to understand that things can happen that's outside of the scope, even though you have the odds on your side significantly. So we're going to share that moment.
Hey O'Brien.
Hey, Dr. Meadows, haven't heard your voice this week a little, so good to hear your voice. What's going on?
Oh, it's just another day. Shouldn't have traded because of the wildness of the market that we knew was going to be the
Mm-hmm.
case for the pre-market news, but I did anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So I just posted in Discord. I'm still in the trade here. I'm hoping this rapidly comes out, and it seems like it's doing okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you'll see that initial zero DTE position there labeled as such with the minus $700. That was actually a call side stop out
Mm-hmm.
on this kind of rapid rise that we've had,
Mm-hmm.
um, 10-point wide and everything. So the shorts got stopped out as well. I set it 3 times on the whole thing
Mm-hmm.
basically.
Mm-hmm.
So and then down below is I'm calling it the recovery thing there, which is
Mm-hmm.
the re-entered call side about 15 points above the previous stop out. Stop out was at 56.35, re-entered at
Mm-hmm.
56.50, and then the new put position. Now I did just throw on a new short put, and I kept my old long put
Mm-hmm.
from the original position there.
Mm-hmm.
So there's 1,000 to get in the trade, and I'm still in this trade, so it's
Mm-hmm.
rapidly decaying down. So I've gotten 600 in it out of it thus far, and there's 400 more to go. So I
Mm-hmm.
can eke out a little bit of profit if this comes in. So again, it's one of them days where like I knew, with the big drop and all that kind of stuff, I kind of thought
Mm-hmm.
maybe, I knew that I figured there'd be a lot of movement and we've rallied a lot. This has been a very
Mm-hmm.
up and down day, not ideal for zero DTE, but I didn't see what Jacket did yet.
Yeah, we can take a look at that. But you at the right now you at the 56, you at the 56.60 on the call side, or is it 56.50? Let
I
me
think
double check
let
that
me
real
see
quick.
it. Let me squint. It is the
56.50.
5650.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's a 4 delta right now. It's 10 points wide. It's that's nice. And then if we look at your put side right now, you said you did add another one, and maybe you're not showing this here. I'm not sure,
Yeah,
but you had
on the recovery,
on
it's
the
that
recovery.
first
Okay,
that put.
okay,
Those other ones got stopped out. So yeah,
okay. So
they
the
the
5600
reco-
is your
yes.
put, and
Correct.
that's the only put you have on right now.
Right now,
Right?
correct.
Okay. So
I still
yeah.
got my original longs on from the first position, but yeah, that's my new short.
All right. So
Yeah.
this looks very very promising right now. Right.
Correct.
It does. It looks like, and you're probably going to be in it. You probably got another tops another 5 minutes.
So
And
yeah, we'll see.
unless you
I'm gonna
take it
need to
to, unless
probably
you take it to expiration, obviously, unless you take it to
well,
expiration.
right. And I am, because the stop out happened relatively late in the day. You
Mm-hmm.
either got like it was maybe 2:30 when that stop
Mm-hmm.
happened. So
Mm-hmm.
I knew when I re-entered, I was pretty much committed to staying in. the whole way to
Okay.
get back. So yeah,
All right.
yeah,
Then if you stay to expiration, you don't have any more fees to deal with and things like that. So
correct.
it'll definitely be a recovery then. So right now
Hmm.
that recovery looks definitely promising. It's a 5 delta on the put side, which is 26 points away. That would be a big drop in the next 10 minutes. And then the call side is like 25 points up, 24 points up. That would be a big jump in the next 10 minutes as well. So looking nice.
So just
Nothing's
yeah, so just in
impossible,
the
but it
time,
looks nice.
nothing's impossible. So yeah, so right now, I mean, so it's decaying rapidly.
Mm,
It's at 650 right now in terms
mhm,
of profit, and
mhm.
350 left to go. 300, it's at 700. I mean, it's coming out very
Okay.
rapidly. So hopefully we're good. But again, this is one of those things where again, if I had some discipline,
Mhm.
I should have probably should have just not traded, you know. But yeah, there you go.
So it looks like that Jack wind up having an easy day, which is great because he got in
He
when
might have gotten in
he got
early,
in
maybe.
earlier. Yes, he was on the trading floor
Hmm.
and got in earlier,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
and so it was he got to be further away, and then when the market dropped, he was still okay, and then obviously when it came back up, he was okay. So he got in and out at a
Yeah,
he
I
had a
got it.
nice little profit.
I didn't get in until maybe like right before noon or something. I kind of
Uh-huh.
waited till the drop, and
Uh-huh.
I thought we might, oh boy, huge up move, rapid up move there. Okay, wow,
Yeah,
wow,
yeah,
wow,
Almost
big
like
up move, but it's
rapid
not.
up move.
it heard your conversation and thought that there's a challenge.
Wow, there we go. Okay, guys, the recovery has hit. So I have stopped out again on the recovery.
Wow,
That is
wow,
amazing. Yeah, man, we're up
wow.
50 points. I mean, we went up 16 points in a heartbeat. Unbelievable. Okay. Well, there we go. So again, underscores, maybe this isn't the best day to trade. Wow.
Man,
That was a humongous jump up.
in seconds. Wow, wow. That you guys, if I've been so wrong this week, it's laughable.
Yeah,
No,
this is
but you did say
nuts,
he will
man.
go to all-time highs, right, O'Brien? So it is
I
now
did say
in
I
the
did
last
say that.
5 minutes.
Ultra,
It's like listening
ultra.
to you, except it's the last 9 minutes of the last trading session.
Swati and I, we are at ultra still. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I know. So
I mean, this is crazy.
yeah,
20%
it,
now.
it
Oh.
it they somehow
It
it
has
was
a
like a
lot of resistance at 45. It has a lot of resistance.
man, it was a lot a like a pocket. I mean, it was like this bubble, and we just jumped up fast, and so you had a stop loss on it,
Yes, I
which is
did.
great,
Yeah, thank goodness.
which you always have. It's never
Yeah,
hit the
but man,
50, it never hit the 5650, but it didn't
yeah,
have
but
to for the stop
it
loss. It
jumped
just
so
jumped up so much.
fast. Yeah, it jumped up so fast. That was ridiculous.
Yeah, it jumped up so fast. It was saying like four. It was still showing 4 delta on the platform for a second. And I was like, oh, he's still okay, but no, it's jumped up way
No,
too much.
Oh, it's going down. You're okay.
Wow, it went to no. He's already
no,
stopped out. So the
I already
day
got
is
stopped
done.
out. Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah, the
you
yeah,
day
did.
yeah.
is done.
I'm done. Oh yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm done. Oh yeah, I got stopped out. Oh yeah,
No
that was
fun there. But
amazing.
that's live TV for you right there, right? Huh? Because man,
Man, yeah, that was crazy.
Talk about
50,
some
50
Friday
the
evening
high was
excitement.
56. Yeah, the high was 56.46, and we're probably gonna go back to there. The all-time high is 56.69. If we hit that today, Swati, that would be just insane because
I don't think we
I
would.
expected us to
Maybe
do that this week, but not in seconds.
it hovers around 45 and goes back. It went to 46 for like a split second yesterday, then went
Mm.
back. It doesn't cross 45 easily.
Okay, well, it kind of I don't know. I don't know if it was a lot of if in the old days they would say it was a lot of stops at it was a lot of stops at 46.40 or something. They had to shoot through that to mess with a lot of people's stops, and then it comes back. I don't know, but it's not a lot of fun there, Dr. Metals. But
No,
man, man, it felt like
that was
it felt like
wild.
yeah, it felt like this is one of the reasons why we talk about not going to expiration, but you really didn't have much choice to be able to break even.
Well, right,
So
exactly. Man, that was crazy.
uh,
It won't cross
so
45 easily. It
well, I
doesn't.
don't know. I
Last
think
week, 2 days.
we might have another jump up the rest of the sessions. You guys can see we just jumped up some again. I mean, we just finishing strong. I thought this was going to be earlier in the week, but it did not happen. We're only 20 points away from the all-time highs. We're not going to hit it in the next 2 minutes, but it's that's pretty impressive move at the end of the day. And so, Dr. Meadows, we have seen this happen before. Just don't expect it to
Yeah,
happen. You just don't expect it to happen, even when it could. Wow.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So